only got a little drop down here. How do we feel about this one? Ow. Hey loves, it's Bree and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I'm still new in these YouTube streets. I've been trying out a bunch of different types of content. So today's is kind of pretty new on my page. If you follow me on Instagram at Bloom with Bree, you'll see that I posted a picture about 2 days ago with a head wrap on, asking if you guys wanted to see me, do a tutorial on it. Plus I said I would try some other ones on here. And the feedback was like, yes, now we want to see it. So I decided to come on here and do this tutorial. So a little story about head wraps real quick. I've fallen in love with head wraps, especially for days when your hair is not looking too good. You're having kind of like a bad hair day and you just want to throw on something over your head, and it's super cute and so simple to do. I recently bought about 3 head wraps and I'm like loving it. So let's get into it. So here is the head wrap. It's actually quite big, like massive actually. So of course when you see this, you're kind of like, how am I gonna do this? But guys, it is so simple. So okay, first you have this big piece of a wrap, right? And you're supposed to put it in half it first. So look, I just halved mine. Really long, lots of material to use. It's super long, so that's a good thing. So when you half it now, I have to like fold it one more time where this much is at the back, just so it's not that much fabric on the top of my pineapple. All right, so let's try it. Okay, so you tie it in a knot like this. You make sure you put out the hair. Okay. After this now, what we're gonna do is plait it like this. So when you're done plaiting it now, you put it to whichever side you prefer. So if you like posing on one side, you can put it this side or this side. And right now it looks like it wants to go over here. So I'm gonna put it up. So what you do is wrap it around like this. And then, can you guys see? You tuck it in like so. So you have it like this. Boom, you put hair around the front and this is what it's looking like. All right, and then guys, what I like to do, of course, is just do a little baby hair, which I won't show you guys because I'm about to do some more wrap ideas. So here it is, super cute, ready. That's it. So that is one way. So what I'm gonna do, because I saw something looking cute when I brought it down here too, so let me try it. So I told you guys I would try on the spot, so don't oof me if it doesn't look good. So, we're gonna try and tuck this under here. Ooh. This might look a little too poofy, but let's see. You feeling that? I'm not sure. I don't know what it looks like back here, but You see? Boom. Another one, kind of. You guys can tell me how you feel about it. All right, so the next one now, let's see what else we can do. So you guys already saw, you leave the knot here, right? Then you can do another knot. And let's try another one, why not? Tuck these two pieces in here. Pull back out some of your pineapple. Pull it forward a bit and fix up whatever needs to be fixed. And boom, we got ourselves a little top knot. All right. This is what this one looks like. Let me show you guys a little 360. So this is why I said like it's nice to just, you know, do your little baby hairs, because it just gives a nice little end result. Let me show you guys. So for example, this is what we would work with. All right, now. Finishes off the look. Just like that. Okay, so let me do another one. Just a small little bun at the top. So then we're here, right? So here it is. Ah! These earrings. But yes, guys, this is another really cute one. And of course, you do down the baby hairs and we good. In case anyone missed it, I have a hair tie here. And then we folded it in half, right? And then just a little teeny bend again. We're here now, the knot at the top. What else can we do? How about we do like so and wrap it around like a crown? Okay, let's twist it. Twist, twist, twist. Wrap it around like a crown. Bring it back around. Make sure the twist is still there. And then we're gonna tuck. All right, let's do one side at a time. Ooh, it has slid off a little bit. So this one's not so much working out, but let's see. I think it could work. Just have to get a little bit tighter when we're pulling it. And here's another one. A little crown. Okay, one more. Just bring them down the sides. Come to one side. Make sure you get out all of the curls. All right. And boom. We got a little drop down here. How do we feel about this one? Ow! So I would definitely do this again. And boom. The earrings don't want to stay. But yes, guys. Loving it. 360 again. Boom. Guys, just have fun with it. You can come up with so many different, you know, different options. 10 different looks. Just like that. So this is it for my updo styles. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. This was so fun. Actually, I'm gonna do another video, but this will be part 2. I don't want to make it too long, of some more styles without it as an updo, maybe like down, and it'll be the purple one. I haven't tried it yet. Ooh, it's nice. But yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing some more videos like this to do with fashion and a little more, you know, lifestyle, that kind of stuff, try on hauls included. So if you liked it, subscribe, don't forget to support. Oh, and really important, where did I get this wrap from? This one and this one. It's from a place called The Wrap Life, and I will give you guys a discount code in my description box below. It's not an affiliate or anything, it's just like how you can get discounts by referring friends. It's a referral. So I'll leave a $5 coupon code below, and you guys can enjoy and go buy all of them like what I did. But yes, really cute, simple hair designs. So I will talk to you guys soon. See you soon on the next video. Subscribe, comment, like, share with a friend, all that good stuff. Bye.